Hey, what's up you guys, this is Efron here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how many trades we could take yesterday during New York session, and there were so many good setups, and I just decided to record this video and share all of them with you. But the best one happened on GBPUSD that I'm gonna get into in like less than a minute. But before I break down the trades using the strategy that I'm using every single day, if you're following my channel, you definitely know what the strategy I'm using that has accuracy over 80%. Literally, you can check out my other videos and see how I'm trading and how this strategy works. Go back to see yourself and then come back to me and then let me know what your opinion is. But let me show you the results of Gold EA Incubator, which is our gold trading bot, and that's why I kind of stopped trading manually and just started automating my trading journey, because it's way easier. There's no emotion, there is no waking up early in the morning, there's none of that stuff. I just installed my account and it trades on my behalf. So this is one of our $3,000 accounts, which is real, and we are up 148% in profit since April 5th all the way to June 8th. As you can see, we are up 150% and the profit is $1,626. And this is the second $3,000 account that we have, and it's scaled, and the reason is that we deposited more money when we started seeing more results, and the balance right now is $4,066. The profit is $1,066, so exactly $1,000 since April, which is almost 2 months. Which is absolutely crazy, because this is something that we've always been waiting for, and then we finally met a developer who actually built it, and then we are using it as well. So I just wanted to share the results with you to show you exactly how much we are making on a real account. So without any further ado, let's get into the breakdown video. So I'm gonna go to June 7th at 8 in the morning, which is exactly when New York session starts, and this is exactly when I analyze the market. So as you know guys, I trade during New York session because time wise it's way easier for me. I just wake up in the morning and then I analyze the market on 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, and I always scalp the market because I'm a scalper. I don't want to be a swing trader. I used to be a swing trader for 2 years straight, and then I lost over $35,000 in total. I also have a proof for that. There's a video that I recorded that I lost this amount of money. So on GBPUSD guys, as you can see on 5-minute time frame, we are kind of experiencing some sort of consolidation around this area, and then we had this huge spike towards upside. So we have a massive break of a structure towards upside after seeing this bearish momentum here. See guys, it's been bearish since June 6th, and it just created lower lows and lower highs. But after this level, after this break of a structure, the trend of the market is trying to be towards upside, but we can still say that we have an uptrend, because if you just zoom out in the long term, we have a downtrend market. But in this case, I just noticed that we have this high probability order block right here, and then we have this high probability demand zone from here to here, because I take the last 2 bearish candles. If you don't know what this strategy is like guys, I highly recommend you to watch my other videos or the video that I put above this video, so you can go check it out and learn my strategy in depth. It's gonna help you out a lot, I can guarantee you with that. And if you have any question, you know what to do. Drop your comment below this video. I'll personally get back to you as soon as possible. So this is the first high probability demand zone that I noticed, and this is the first high probability supply zone that I identified. And the reason is that this is the last bullish candle, and after that this candle just dropped. There's a huge candle right here, and the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this zone and this candle right here that makes this zone a high probability supply zone. So what I did was I was just waiting for either the price to either tap to this zone or this one right here. Super easy. And if it makes any sort of high probability supply or demand zone in the middle of the way, then I take that as well, like this one. Look at this. We have this high probability demand zone from here to here, because this is the first candle that got out of the box, and the next candle after I never tapped into zone, high probability demand zone. We know that. So what happened was really interesting, that it never tapped into the zone, but we still have that. And right after this candle tap into the zone, this is the first candle, so we just need to wait for a better confirmation to make sure that it's going to be a good sell trade. So as you can see, this candle really got my attention. It's a beautiful candle that formed exactly inside this high probability supply zone. So what it did was I actually put my sell stop here, and then I put my stop loss here, and my TP could be here. But there's also one more thing that you need to pay attention to, is that you also have this high probability demand zone here. See guys? So, and if I really want to pay attention to that, I don't trade this structure, because we are so close to the next high probability demand zone. But the reason I didn't really pay attention to that is that we also have two more high probability demand zones exactly below this one right here. And if you watch my previous videos, I always talk about it, that if we have multiple high probability supply or demand zones, then there's a high chance that the price wants to go to the furthest one, or at least the one close to the furthest one, and not the one that is just super close to that. And the next reason is that the trend of the market is bearish, right? I mean, even if you zoom out, just using your eyes, you can literally see that the trend of the market is towards downtrend, and it's not an uptrend. Plus, we have some sort of consolidation here, so I didn't really pay attention to that. And what literally happened after that was this one here. See guys, it literally smashed my TP. It disrespected this zone, so we immediately delete this zone. And look what happened. And this one right here, so I could have easily taken my second TP right here, disrespected this zone, we delete this one as well, and it could be my third TP right here. So I could have had easily three TPs, the first one here, 1-to-1, the second one here, the third one right here. See what happened guys. If I just wanted to take my trade here, like it could be 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio, which was absolutely crazy. And look what happened. After it smashed my TP, let's say that I took it all the way to here, that it didn't, I just take my 1-to-1, but if I wanted to leave a runner, I could have definitely done that, and I wish I did it. So this is the first trade. But let's see how it's reacting to this high probability demand zone here, because we also have this candle here. But since the trend of the market is bearish, I'm going to delete this one as well, because it's now invalid. I'm going to use my Fibonacci from where it started all the way to where it ended, and you'll see that we also have this golden zone right here. So, you know, a lot of people take their buy position here, buy stop here, they put their stop loss below that, and then their TP right here. So let me see how it's going to react. As you can see, this also could be a profitable trade without stopping me out. Because see, if I wanted to put my stop loss really close to my candle, then I would have got stopped out. That's why I never put my stop loss super close to the previous candle, I would say. I just give it some space. There's no problem with that. Just give it some space, at least a few pips. So let me see. From here to here, it's just 2 pips, guys. You don't have to put your stop loss here, because there's a higher chance you always get stopped out, and you don't want to do that. You also can put your stop loss here. Some people put it below this level here, and then they just put their TP above this level. Let me see if it smash. It did. See? I'm going to remove this, and then you see, if you put your stop loss here, your TP right here, it just shoot up like crazy. And it literally disrespected my golden zone that it identified with the help of Fibonacci level, and it literally smashed my TP. You could do that. I personally don't put my stop loss that far, because I rather re-entering my trade rather than putting my stop loss super low. But what I do is that I put it like, you know, maybe right here. I put my stop loss maybe right here, because we have this candle right here, and if I identify a line, you know, it just makes sense to put my stop loss somewhere around here, which I don't get stopped out anyways. I probably be in a little bit of drawdown, but it won't be that long, and then it just literally smash my TP, and then I'm good to go. So if I want to do that. But if I put my TP here, it would be 1-to-1. So that's it, guys. This is what happened on GBPUSD. I hope that you liked this video. There was so much value, I can guarantee you guys. This is not something you typically see on YouTube if you search how to trade Forex or smart money concepts trading a strategy, because other traders literally use really hard phrases and, you know, some stuff that, you know, I personally never understood when I wanted to learn this sort of strategy. But I simplified everything, and then again, I'm getting so many comments from different people that everything got easier for them, because all I talk about is zones, high probability supply zone or high probability demand zone, and using a rectangle tool on TradingView, and that's all I do. So thank you so much for supporting this channel, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified. And if you have any question regarding the automation process and you don't want to trade manually, simply for any reason, you know, you don't have enough knowledge or you don't have enough time, for whatever reason it is, feel free to ask your questions. You can check out our website, which is smarteaincubator.com. I'm going to leave a link below in the description, and then we also have a live chat on our website where you can ask all your questions from our team, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much, and see you on the other side.